What's up everyone, Chris at Dentless Touch back again with Inside the Dent Vlogs. Today we have a slow day. I really think the situation in the world is really kind of dampening our progress, our sales a little bit. So it's a slow day. We have 2 appointments coming in, and then we have a mobile repair, and I gotta try to edit another video and do some admin work and just a bunch of other stuff. So primarily more of an admin day. We do have a decent dent on this mobile repair, but we're gonna see if we can get it done. All right, so to give you guys an update, we had 1 no-show, and this is understandable during this time. We had 1 reschedule, but I took the time to just get the basic maintenance done on the vehicle and just try to use my time efficiently as possible. So let's get on to our mobile repair and get this day started finally. I'll show you guys what I'm working on. Little small dent right here. Unfortunately, the paint was removed during impact. Then you have this nice shallow dent here, and then she's got one right here. I'm gonna try to get a tool on this dent right here because it's fairly sharp. I'm able to show you guys with this light, I guess. Maybe not. So anyway, that's all we're working on this repair for this on this stop. Just these 2 going through the window on this, and then glue pulling this and trying to get a tool right here. So that is the method to the madness. So what I think I'm gonna do is go from the other side, kind of like I did the other dent, and basically go from like the tail light side, the trunk area, because it's not pulling too well. So that's gonna be our new method right now. So let me move everything around. So to end this video, we're going to be going over some of the comments. Let's see what we have here. So Don said, do you use stand liner tools in everyday work? Pretty much. I try to go to those tools as much as I can. My selection is limited. I only have roughly about 15 of those tools. I probably need about 10 more, and I'll be able to use those every single day. But that is my go-to tool. It just speeds up the repair process. So that is why. And Maddie had a great comment. On the first repair, have you considered using the dent dowel with a soft radius tip and leather, then switch over to an ultra tip to finish? I think it would be a lot easier, risk less chance of pinching. I guess he was trying to go or pinning. When using leather, it's so much more control using a flat bar than a rod when levering off a tire. Just a suggestion, keep up the great work. And Maddie's right, I could have probably used the dent dowel for that situation, and it'll probably been a whole lot better, to be honest with you. My dent dowels are just not in my cart, so that's probably why I didn't use the dent dowel, but probably would have made more sense. I'm just so used to the rods. That's what I kind of learned off of and trained off of and used for the last 7-8 years, and so that's what I'm just comfortable with, even though the dent dowel would have probably speed up the process and help me out a little bit with the wrist fatigue. Let's see, next one. Christopher says, amazing job, thank you, appreciate that. Gregory says, Chris, what kind of blending hammer are you using? And basically, it's my blending hammer that we sell. It's a jeweler's hammer that I get Blem to custom grind down and polish for me, and then we sell on our website. So I'll leave the link below if you're interested. Chad said, what stand are you using on your XL Lite? And that is the Ultra Dent Tools stand that I use. I really like those stands. They treat me well over the years. They've kind of been my first stand, so that's probably why it's my go-to stand. I think they're very inexpensive too compared to what's out there, so try those out. Give them a try. And that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.